organizations put different levels of commitment to invest in human resources development, or known as HRD Solutions for short. In this video, we will share about what you must know as leaders for HRD Solutions to develop a successful self and team. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, EXCEL-HRD. I am Wong. I'm a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. As a community, we talk about leadership and HRD solutions. If you have not done so, you can subscribe, click on the notification button to get my latest video, and remember to like this video. The point is that your leadership career and organizational successes depend on HRD efforts across all aspects of your business. The benefits of investing in people are tremendous. Still, many are not doing it, even when it takes little to do, because we can use what is already available in our people and business, even when the rewards can be better people productivity, better employee relations, and better profit. Even when the positive outcomes are you feel more motivated, your team will be motivated too. So, what are the components of HRD solutions? The conventional HRD positioning is mostly set around training. The point is that if you are thinking this way, this is very limited. It is a too one-dimensional perspective. Let's expand that view in this video. Here is our reason. Slowly, HRD has become a more complex approach that includes all learning and developing knowledge for individuals and organizations. We may not register in our minds that HRD Solutions is an umbrella framework. You may not think this way. For example, HRD Solutions extends to people management and development mechanism. Each subsystem of HRD Solutions has progressed on its own. Each has grown into individual people development effort. HRD Solutions subsystems are divided into several categories: employee training, employee career development, performance management and development, coaching, mentoring, succession planning, key employee identification, tuition assistance, organizational development, and many more. These examples of HRD solutions are placed within a leader's function and leadership practice. This means, as a leader, you are in charge of HRD solutions when developing your people. Be a proactive leader. Take action. You can cover as many HRD solutions in as many businesses, areas, and people development effort. Here is a question for you. What HRD solutions have you come across or used before? Leave a comment below. Till we meet again, do subscribe, click on notification to get my latest video, and like this video. See you soon.